190 years old whaling shipwreck from Massachusetts found in Gulf of Mexico. One of the most recent discoveries in the Gulf of Mexico is a wrecked whaling ship from Massachusetts named Industry. The 64-foot-long, two-masted timber brig was discovered on March 23 by NOAA and its allies. According to NOAA, the whaler sunk on May 26, 1836, when a storm shattered its masts and opened its hull. According to NOAA, the ship has been hunting sperm whales for around 70 miles from the Mississippi River mouth for 20 years. Out of 214 whaling expeditions between the 1780s and the 1870s, just one was lost in the Gulf of Mexico, according to NOAA. In addition to the telltale remains such as whale blubber rendering kettles and an apparent lack of remains, researchers confirmed that the sunken ship was the ill-fated whaler thanks to the salvage of the ship's cargo, which included about 230 barrels of whale oil, according to NOAA, citing marine archaeologist Scott Saucett of BOM. The shipwreck's dimensions matched historical records, according to NOAA. The crew was rescued by another Westport whaling ship, Elizabeth, and transported to the coastal Massachusetts town, according to NOAA. Many crews at the period included black males, descendants of enslaved Africans, Native Americans, and mixed persons, according to NOAA. According to James Delgado, Ph.D., Senior Vice President of Search Inc., the black crewmen aboard would have been incarcerated and maybe sold into slavery had they returned to the South at the time. According to the Associated Press, historian Lee Blake, a descendant of famous black and Native American whaling captain Paul Cuff, felt intimidated by mixed-race whaler crews arriving into southern ports since they were all free and worked for equal pay. A study of the catastrophe will help scholars understand more about black and Native American seafarers' life at sea and on land.